This tutorial will show you how to download and install Destiny Rising to your Android device from any country. Destiny Rising is not available in some regions, but I'll show you how to manually install it to your device. Let's begin. First, we'll open up a browser and download the Destiny Rising APK file. I'll have the download link in the description box. This is a big file, so it may take some time. Once it's finished downloading, open the file. If you see this message, press Settings. Turn on Allow from this source. Now press Install. That's it. Destiny Rising is now installed on your Android device. Let's test it out. Thanks for watching.